Time Mwakwaba, yet Twaso, goody more and some more, and some other dozen. There's a fantastic hotel or maybe a Wabarona, yet the Abrao can see, and not to say yes, or Heston and Yamani see Conwa, and Rasa when the BDR you have left yourself. I am at a Neddy, a view who makes me a ADP. Yes, and Ra, Okopimo or APL, games or La Liga. Na games to horse and so on France near the Adina. OneExpert.com a catching a bit medis Canada go to OneExpert.com and what I'm saying chief as measure or your bar now Bema. So general nice. General nice. A chief as measure and more general nice so pin biabekwa a setimo gel and roll on pin a druno pin a drew be any baby. So by bia for Chiriana say by bia oh na setimo gel and roll on okay one of pena ya some no dey ebre wo kejo na nkasa ni Erica Siedubwedi Sergio Manucho Banner Padibo me producers and pay many omo abano no ye be shase refi the EPL Lemuenra Ellen Haaland 35 goals wafa records ahodo e England dey news home say for Esenkrofoniema 1-1 and a cost so Juventus ball Lecce by 2-1 now on the table or Italy Napoli on the lead in there Wajia and weekend the obeje 79 points now last you toss me 64 Juventus toss me and say was 63 and Inter Milan toss so 9 say it was 60 after and the winner ultimately winning and international and some so is here OneExpert.com akache na bring na betumi adiska na ode agu wo bottom so e hono now yemfi ona yemra fie me hede yakoso fie the Ghanaian Premier League mo and some nanwada and Kotoku Royals and Adriana Stars the epim so game ne bana wi na coach Pakwase Fabian on coach mani pa de Adriana and some kakatu dwa na ne boafu agese tumi se referee ni ben ne kran ko ta no sotro ne ade ne ye the charges abon so meyi na no oba no an cheche ne nsem yi a na so ba ye shepa
Adriana Stars coach Pakwase Fabian and ne na so ya hia Ghana Football Association ade do monsa atreni suyi ena na omo ne Kotoku Royals de pomu e Ghana Premier League nim dewu no omo ball 1-1 de na so game na chire no e papa ina ne bu afu pa okeka na dwene e de chire papa na ogina akansie ne finfie to ayerem no se akansie no enko ye chinchimo no ni team Adriana Stars nsa o sa dwompone ye odi begina akansie ne finfini a na bibia daddy so obesisi Adriana Stars no Kotoku Royals afon wodi nkunim GF ni se ensama papa ne ka ne ntwaye ani si won bon krata amfa meja won enne ko da wie ya enye saa na edafie ebeto omo my Ghana han mo a omo de sunu beto ne so na mache saa aka nyina wonyina mu emfa ma ne team Adriana Stars na yenkonkotie ne nsama a wokae wabra woni Kotoku Royals akwa tipenko ka ba ko no
not the result I'm looking for, but I'm really highly disappointed in the referee in the second half. Because every ball that we came to tackle here is a foul against us. Look at the number of free kicks he gave them in the second half. Is that how we want to champion of the league? It's very bad until the referee changed all of a sudden in the second half, giving them free kicks upon free kicks around the 18. For what? Even it's all the slightest tackle, foul. Slightest tackle, foul. Why? Very disappointed. I never talk about referees, but I'm highly disappointed in him.
Right. Coach Pakwase Fabian. And what in some way to Gariana so I shin on a send some a setimo gel and roll on pin wing na Zebio Akuma Bassi in Zano or Sasa Wabe okay. Setimo gel and roll on okay one of pain and some night bro. Yen Kupim war a quo then had a coso co and China co by Barako United Genemuda in some Ketwa Division 2 or quo the Kakon on a Port City airball one more game back this weekend. Amumi no 1 point na Adom ntem wo be winning all fro akodi table so na possibly wa qualify aba when him be cost war air division 1 more na eno na yakobo rem the training grounds ma Okwa United and players ne coaches akasa na mo chire mo se fans na metal match bibia betima koyi say da sebre agi bibia ide ni asese eye project say ye be na Okwa aba division 1 na dia nsem bebre ne niam bebre na mpanifo Okwa aka ho abom sa feed on beboa mo Okwa aba
Hokrad Group akoye donation fefefe de ma Okwa United a ene wo be show omo den ene nam so o ma kansi omo ne positive di kopomu na wotwe wie ye no aboa players yi no matumi adinkunim Hokrad Group at the check at the command timi na numu na coach at the mabo boko no prince wusu se omo ni sopa efiti da obeso timi mu ya chitafo no.
I've been here for a little while and we played some games and they've been there. the way these United supporters support the team. I really love it, and this is the time that they should show their love and passion for the team, because we need them very much as even the team goes there. We need them. We went to before I got there on the pitch, I saw the supporters. I was so impressed. Today they should this time around they should come in their numbers even more than what they did the other time, because we need them. This is the game that we are going to play, and it's going to give us the qualification to go to the local phase. So we are pleading with them to come in their numbers big time, and anyone that we also would like to help them to bring them to Kukwentimi on that day. We are asking anyone who can reach up in his pocket and then help with the transportation issues for them. I think this is what it's all about. This is it. It's a match that we know we have to win, and then we are going there to do our possible best to win this game.
Afei Prince Owusu say ahomboane de omugusu enemum tactics ne niam o de akire players no omu dane di pefe wako pamano so a omu bete positive oyi.
It's a game that all of you, if you are following the league very well, you see that we are the second position and they are on top of us with 1 point difference. So it's a very tough game for us and for them as well. Wow, the preparation is going on very well. I took the Eastern Cup to try to play some formations, and it worked out very well. We are still working on it here, and it's going on well as well. So we are preparing very well. The kids themselves, the players themselves, they are all excited, ready.
All right, Coach Prince here also. And somebody too, Janano, you be sweaty. Some match in Echi pa na ya mo hu se ne kwa kosi weekend here be baso ne ade ade na hye ne so ma me say G-Fast match mo kan one opay na e dem sam na de bro man na bibia be koso yi wo we mu no G-Fast match wo gina na so ba na be mu a G-Fast mixture ka hye ne so sa efa e ma me so ho no monti G-Fast do kwa United players mo gina mo na so G-Fast mixture ne mo mi positive we kama na busa OneXBet.com. I'm also kind of want to pay some right here on a Setimo gel and roll on. Your sponsors are Bibia, Modiasia Concono, Sergio Manucho, and a banner Padibu tree. I am a producer, so I'm a Bimu. I drink packeting so for you. Mommy, fantastic morning. One daddy, Mumfa Adom TV, Diagro cry, drink packeting so for you. Your chairman, Nano Paipa. Yana, Ode Nankasa Aka Kijwane, Erica Sidu Bodini, because I have a